Hey everyone! Today I want to show you exactly how to kickstart your investing journey, claim up to €100 in free stocks, and set up a reliable stream of monthly passive income. Building a dividend portfolio completely changed my financial life. It currently pays me €200 every single month. Here is the exact two-step framework I use to get started, and how you can do it too. Step 1. Claim your free stock up to €100. First, you need a reliable brokerage account. I highly recommend the Trading212 app. It is one of the best commission-free platforms for European investors, perfect for beginners, and highly regulated by authorities like the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA. Here's how to get your bonus. Download the Trading212 app and register your account. Apply my promo code. Insert code here during setup. Once your account is ready, you will receive up to €100 worth of free fractional shares. You can choose to hold on to them for long-term growth or sell them immediately for cash. Step 2. Build a continuous monthly dividend stream. Once your account is funded, the real goal is to create a reliable cash flow. To achieve this, I look for investments that pay monthly rather than quarterly. One of my favorite assets is JGPI, JPMorgan Global Equity Premium Income Active ETF. Here is why this fund is a cornerstone of my portfolio. It offers a 9% annual dividend yield distributed across monthly payouts. Professional fund managers continuously research companies, weed out weak businesses, and double down on stable winners. Predictable mathematics. If you invest €1,000 today, you can expect roughly €750 hitting your account each month, totaling €90 per year. My personal payout from this JPMorgan ETF alone reached €120 this month. The best part about this journey is that your income potential is entirely limitless. Every euro you reinvest compounds your future payouts. How much did you make in passive income this month? Let me know in the comments below and see you in the next post.